Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about how to fix iPhone lagging after iOS 26 update. Let's start this video. First of all, open setting. After this, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure your internet connection working properly. After this, go back. Tap on General, tap on Software Update and make sure iOS 26 will be downloaded in your mobile phone. After this, go back. Here, tap on VPN and device management and check if any VPN is connected. Turn off VPN. After this, go back. Scroll down, tap on screen time. After this, tap on content and privacy restrictions and always turn off this. After this, go back and tap on battery and use your mobile in low power mode. After this, restart your mobile phone and try again. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, open setting again. Tap on general, tap on iPhone storage and make sure 10 to 15 GB free up storage. After this, if your problem is not solved, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset and reset your mobile phone. Your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.